Hello, everyone. Have you ever experienced a state of complete immersion where hours fly by, and you produce your best work? Imagine harnessing that power consistently to achieve extraordinary results in your professional and personal life. Today, let's explore the concept of deep work and its transformative potential. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand what deep work is and why it matters, the benefits of practicing deep work, techniques to cultivate and maintain deep work habits. Let's discuss what deep work is and why it matters. Deep work, a term popularized by author Cal Newport, refers to focused, uninterrupted work that pushes your cognitive abilities to their limit. This type of work is essential for mastering complex tasks and producing high-quality results. Example: my friend Sarah, a passionate writer, was working on her first novel. For years, Sarah struggled to find the time and focus needed to bring her story to life. Her days were filled with distractions, and her writing sessions were often interrupted. One day, Sarah decided to try a new approach. She set aside 2 hours every morning, where she turned off her phone, closed all unnecessary tabs on her computer, and created a quiet, inspiring space in her home office. Her ideas flowed more freely, and her plot developed more naturally. With this method, she was able to write a wonderful first novel. Let's discuss the benefits of practicing deep work. Enhanced productivity. Deep work allows you to accomplish more in less time by eliminating distractions and focusing on one task at a time. This leads to higher efficiency and output. Real-world story: Bill Gates, known for his Think Weeks, retreats for extended periods to focus deeply on reading, thinking, and planning, significantly contributing to his innovative ideas and strategic decisions. Improved quality of work. When you engage in deep work, you can produce higher quality results. The focused attention allows for greater creativity, precision, and attention to detail. Example: an engineer working on a complex project can develop more innovative solutions and identify potential issues more effectively when free from interruptions. Greater job satisfaction. Deep work can lead to a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. When you fully engage with your tasks, you experience a flow state, which is associated with higher job satisfaction and overall happiness. Analogy: think of deep work as going into the ocean's depths, where you can explore and discover treasures that aren't visible from the surface. The deeper you go, the more valuable and rewarding your discoveries are. Let's discuss techniques to cultivate and maintain deep work habits. Scheduling blocks. Allocate specific blocks of time for deep work in your schedule. Protect these periods from interruptions and treat them as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Example: set aside 2 hours every morning for deep work before checking emails or attending meetings. This practice can help you start the day with focused, productive energy. Create a distraction-free environment. Eliminate potential distractions by creating a dedicated workspace. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and inform others of your deep work periods. Real-world story: J.K. Rowling famously checked into a hotel to finish writing Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, allowing her to focus entirely on her work without distractions. Embrace boredom. Allow yourself to experience boredom and resist the urge to seek constant stimulation. Embracing boredom can enhance your creativity and problem-solving abilities. Real-world story: Warren Buffett often spoke about the importance of allowing time for reflection and boredom, which he believed sparked his most creative ideas. Assignment. This week, create your own deep work challenge. Schedule at least one deep work session, and make it fun by setting up a cozy, distraction-free environment with your favorite snacks and a playlist of instrumental music. Use techniques like time blocking, setting clear goals, and practicing mindfulness. At the end of the week, reflect on your experience and see how it impacted your productivity and work quality. Share your experience with a friend or colleague and compare notes. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Cal Newport. This book provides practical strategies for developing deep work habits and achieving greater success.